In its commitment to serve the needy, Indian Railways continues in its endeavour to ensure availability of essential commodities through its freight services during the nationwide lockdown. In order to ensure the timely delivery of essential commodities for citizens and goods vital for energy infrastructure sector, Indian Railways has maintained its freight corridor fully functional in spite of the ongoing lockdown. It has been successful in meeting the needs of both household sector and industry.
कोरोना वायरस के प्रसार को रोकने के उद्देश्य से सवारी गाड़ियों का परिचालन तो बंद है, किंतु हमारी माल गाड़ियां निरंतर दौड़ रही हैं और देश के विभिन्न भागों में यह आवश्यक सामग्रियों की आपूर्ति कर रही है। इसी क्रम में जैसा कि मैंने पहले आपको बताया था कि भारतीय रेलवे ने एक अहम निर्णय लिया है और अब हम पार्सल एक्सप्रेस ट्रेनों का ही परिचालन कर रहे हैं। इसी कड़ी में 2 अप्रैल को हमारी पहली पार्सल एक्सप्रेस नई दिल्ली से हावड़ा के लिए चल चुकी है।
During the last 3 days, Railway delivered 7,195 wagons of food grains, 64,567 wagons of coal, 3,314 wagons of steel, 3,838 wagons of petroleum. A total of approximately 1,43,458 wagons of freight were loaded in the last 3 days. Our viewers should know that one wagon contains 50 to 60 tons of consignment. Now coming on to the day-wise breakdown. On 30th March, a total of 37,526 wagons were loaded, out of which 25,617 wagons were loaded for essential commodities. It includes 2,252 wagons of food grains, 252 wagons of sugar, 8 wagons of salt, 63 wagons of fruits and vegetables, 21,628 wagons of coal, 1,414 wagons of petroleum products. Among loading of other important commodities were 840 wagons of steel and 802 wagons of fertilizers. Now coming on to the delivery record of 31st March. A total of 51,755 wagons were loaded, out of which 33,265 wagons were loaded for essential commodities. It includes 2,600 wagons for food grains, 293 wagons of sugar, 85 wagons of salt, 84 wagons of fruits and vegetables, 2,861 wagons of coal, 1,292 wagons of petroleum products. Among loading of other important commodities were 1,789 wagons of steel, 1,287 wagons of fertilizers. Now the distribution done on 1st of April. A total of 54,177 wagons were loaded, out of which 17,805 wagons were loaded for essential commodities. It includes 2,343 wagons of food grains, 210 wagons of sugar, 42 wagons of fruits and vegetables, 14,078 wagons of coal, 1,132 wagons of petroleum products. Among loading of other important commodities were 685 wagons of steel and 761 wagons of fertilizers. Issues which were earlier being faced by railway and many terminal points in loading and unloading operations are being effectively resolved. Indian Railways, along with Ministry of Home Affairs, is keeping touch with state government to sort out any operational issue if at all they arise in the future.
है।